what has been a turning point or milestone in your professional journey?
Good question. Um, the biggest milestone for me was from moving from a massy traditional brand marketing that I was doing as a mandate in PNG to now setting up from zero to one an internet first business called Amazon Mini TV and doing a lot of fun things for the brand as well as the exciting content that is available, creating habit change amongst the young adults. That has been a turning point for my journey and growth from a learning as well as from a sense of fulfillment because of so many milestones that we have seen from zero to one that so far.
Uh, so my next question is, how do you disperse your marketing spends between traditional media and digital media?
And I'm just going back to the previous point. It depends in terms of who is my customer. When I say customer, I mean the consumer. Um, in if my problem statement is to reach the right captive set of audience which is beyond tier 2 tier 3 too, obviously my split in terms of spends to reach these customers changes, but for a digital first brand which focuses a lot on young adults, we do index quite a bit on social and digital spending both in terms of organic and inorganic ways to reach them.
So the ACI recent guidelines talk about the challenges of AI and especially with data privacy. So what is your comment on this?
Yeah, it's interesting because especially in India, I think the awareness when it comes to customers for data protection is quite low. People don't know yet about how any submit data or personal data that they do, where all it travels potentially, right? And the abuse or misuse is just so high. So I'm glad that the most official body is taking a stand and giving guidelines which kind of balances in some sense because of the thrive for marketeers to get into AI, get into one-on-one personalized messaging. Somewhere that sets a guideline for trust because customer trust will create long-term value for any brand, and I'm glad that this is happening.
Uh, Lastly, how does this award add value to your professional journey?
Yeah, I mean, I must say this is my first award personally as a marketer,
Congratulations.
and while of course it recognizes a lot of me as individual, but I feel it recognizes the work done by me and my team, and I feel on such a esteemed platform, if Amazon Mini TV's work is being recognized, I feel really proud about it. Of course, my team has a lot to do for all the things that are being celebrated. But yeah, I feel really, really happy and further motivated to learn and unlearn a few more things in the career.
Thank you so much for being with us now.
Thank you.